So here is a USDA hardiness map. First, we need to know what hardiness means. Hardiness means, will a perennial plant survive over the winter? Is it hardy enough to survive? Do you see the dark green section of the hardiness map? You can see that it goes from the Boston, Massachusetts area, and it even dips into Oklahoma. Why is this significant and why can I speak to this? Well, I grew up in Oklahoma and then I lived in Boston for about 8 years, and now I live in New Hampshire. And the reality is that the climates are so drastically different, but the hardiness can be about the same. So my mom can plant her garden 2 months before I can plant my garden, yet we can have about the same perennial plants because those perennial plants are hardy to our zone. The reason that we should be focusing on climate as a whole and not zones is because areas can be vastly different in their zones, Pacific Northwest for instance, but their climates can be very similar because we're focusing on rainfall, we're focusing on average temperature, not the extreme temperatures. We're focusing on cloud cover and other factors, but we're also focusing on how warm the soil is, and that's the key indicator of when to put something in the ground. In terms of climate, whenever we look at the mean or the average temperature, we're looking for this nice mid-level orange color, and that's going to be about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and the soil is warm enough to sustain plant life. So again, like my mom can plant in March, but I can't plant until like May or June, and her first frost is going to be much later than ours. Whenever my garden is completely done, she can continue to grow things.